Hey there! Today we're going to take a look at the JBL Horizon 3. We're going to show you how it can help you get up in time and wake up feeling refreshed. When you first open the box, you will find the Horizon 3, a quick start guide, an antenna cable, and, depending on your region, the appropriate power cord. Pull out the battery insulator tab, connect the antenna cable and the power cable. The first time you turn on your Horizon 3, you will be asked to select a language. Turn the knob to scroll through and press it to select your preferred language. Then a QR code will appear for the JBL One App, so you can conveniently download it. The JBL One App will make setup even quicker. However, you can also do it manually. Simply set your date, clock format, and time, and you'll be ready to go. With the JBL One App, you can easily access all features of the Horizon 3 and unlock its full functionality. To connect, simply open the JBL One App and click on the card with the Horizon 3. To authorize it, just click on the knob. Use it to set your alarm, toggle sleep mode, and choose what the ambient light should look like. Pick your screensaver, and set when you want to decrease the brightness of the screen for a good night's sleep. Press the Bluetooth button and connect with your preferred device. You can now also use your Horizon 3 as a Bluetooth speaker. Use the knob to pause or resume your tunes and twist it to change the volume. You can tune the Horizon 3 to your favorite radio station by first going to radio mode. You can do this by either pressing the radio preset button or by going to the menu and selecting either DAB or FM. Depending on your region, DAB might not be available and you'll only see FM. Once selected, you can press the menu button and then simply select Next or Previous to go to the nearest radio station. Need to tweak the exact frequency? You can do that by selecting Tune Plus or Tune Minus. You can save radio presets by going to the station you want to store and then holding the radio preset button for 2 seconds. Or you can go to the menu and scroll down to Add the preset. Once you have saved some, you can scroll through them by pressing the radio preset button. You can exit radio mode by pressing the knob. You can set an alarm by going to the menu and then selecting Alarm. 2 alarms are there, ready to be set up. Select one of them, turn it on, select a time, if and when you want to repeat it, what the sound should be, how loud it should be, and if you want to make use of the wake-up light. Instead of one of the calm preset sounds, you could also opt to wake up to a radio preset of your choice. You can also do this, set more alarms, set up sunrise duration, and more via the JBL One App. The next upcoming alarm will be shown in the upper right corner. When you wake up in the morning, you might want to hit that snooze button to get 10 more minutes. However, if you're ready to be up and about, you can hold the snooze button for 2 seconds and the alarm will turn off for the day. Used your last power outlet and now you can't charge your phone anymore? No worries, the Horizon 3 has got you covered. Simply connect your phone via USB-C to the connector on the side and both you and your phone will charge overnight. Sleep well!